Good morning students. I hope you all are good and well at your home. In the previous video I explained you about integers. But before going to talk about the integers and the exercises of the integers, I want to discuss you about the test which I had given in the previous video. I am happy to see that you all are paying attention and taking the advantages of the video classes, and your responses are very good. So now today we will start with the exercise number 3.2, which is based on my previous video. So let's start with the question number 1, that is solve the following using number line. It means with the help of number line we have to add the given integers. So a number is there, addition of 7 plus 4. When you are going to add numbers on number line, so first you have to think about the integers. Which type of integers are there? 1, it is a 7. Before 7 there is no sign, means it is positive integer. And when we think about the second number, that is also positive integers. So on the number line, how can we represent this addition? So when we are going to show the addition of the number on number line, first you define 0 in between, and I explain you on the right side all the numbers are positive and left hand side all the numbers are negative. So when we are going to show here, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. On the right side all the numbers are positive, and on the left hand side numbers are negative. We will show the numbers negative numbers. But how can we represent the number on the number line? On the equal distance. Now see the first one. The first number is there 7, which is positive integer. So when we are going to show the addition of both the numbers, first one, this is the positive integer. So you see on the right hand side of the 0, all the numbers are positive. So which number we have to show? From 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Move right side of the 0. Now one more thing is there, 7 plus 4. This is also positive integer. So we move through the right side. After 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is your answer? Your answer is 11. So 7 plus 4 is 11. This is 11. Now B part. When we go through the B part, 5 plus minus 8. Look at here, when we see in this B part, first one is there positive number and the second one is there negative. So here same process is there, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. On the right side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See first one, which number is there? It is plus of 5. So move right side of the 0. How many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5. But when we see 5 plus second one is there negative numbers. So when we want to show the negative numbers on the number line, we move left side. 5 minus 8. Here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So our answer will be minus 3. Why we go through minus 8? Because it is a negative number, so we go through left side. That is plus of 5. So our answer will be minus 3. This is the A part, this is the B part. In the A part, we go through right side. Both the numbers are positive, so our answer will be positive 11. But when we see the second part, first one is there, it is a positive, and second one is there, negative. So for the first number, we will go through the right side of the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 5 places, and then after plus minus 8. So minus 8 is there, we move through the left side 8 places. Then our answer will be minus 3. Now A and B part is over, then C part. In the C part, minus 4 and minus 7. Both the numbers are negative numbers. So in the D part, it is minus of 4, minus of 7. Look at here, both the numbers are here negative numbers. So when we are going to show both negative numbers, addition of the negative numbers on the number line, same rule is there. It is in between 0 is there. On the right hand side, all the numbers are positive numbers. But when we go through the left side, all these numbers are negative numbers. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Which numbers are there? Up to here. On the negative side, all the numbers are negative. So here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10, minus 11. When we are going to make the number line, see the equal distance between the numbers. So first one is there minus 4. So we will move through 4 places on the left side of 0. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. That is our first one, minus 4. Minus 4 plus minus 7. So after minus 4 places, we will move left side of the 4, 7 places. Left side of the minus 4, 7 places. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here this is minus 7 and this is minus 4. So our answer will be minus of 11. So when we add the number with the same sign, our answer will be this. Minus 11 is the answer. Now in question number 1 is over. In the question number 2, you have to solve the given numbers or you have to solve the following without using a number line. In the question number 1, here we will solve the question by using the number line, but in the question number 2, we will solve the question by without using number line. So this is our question number 2, solve the following without using the number line. That is the A part. In the A part, we will add 37 plus 107. In the B part, we will add minus 56, then 103. Look at here, in the A part, both the numbers are positive. In the B part, first one is their negative and the second one is their positive number. So how can we solve this question? When we are going to solve, it is 37 plus 107. Both the numbers are positive, so our answer will be positive. 7 and 7, 14 is there. It is 3 and 1, 4. So our answer is 144. But when we think about the second B part, here one number is there positive and the second one is there negative. When two numbers are given there with a different sign, so we will do here subtraction. Now 30 minus 6, our answer will be 7. It is 3 minus 6 is not possible. So 13 minus 6 is there, 7, and this is what? It is 9. So 9 minus 4 is 5 is there, 4. 9 minus 5 is there, 4. But now it is a integer. So we have to show here the sign of the integer. Look at here, 103 is the positive integer and minus 56 is the negative integers. So when we solve the question, we will see the sign of bigger number. Sign of bigger number is there, positive. So our answer is positive. Now come to the question number 3. In the question number 3, that is the question, you have to solve the solution of this number by using number line. In the question number 3, solve the following by using the number line. But when we solve the question, one difference is there. In the question number 1, when we are going to solve the question by using the number line, there will be a addition. In the question number 3, in between two integers, there is a subtraction. So here again we will make number line, but same is there, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the left side, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6 and minus 7. So when we are going to show the numbers on the number line, look at here, when the subtraction is there, so for the second number, we will see the additive inverse of the second integer, or we can reopen the brackets, minus and minus, plus of 3. So which one is the first integer? Minus 7. When we remove the bracket, it is positive sign. So 0 to which number? 0 to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 places. Why we move left? It is a negative integer. But for the second one, it is a plus of 3. Minus and minus, plus of 3. So we go through 3 places. Right. From minus 7 to minus 4. So minus 7 plus 3, our answer will be minus 4. Now in the question number 3, one more part we have to see here. That is, in the question number 3, one more part is there. That is 3 minus of 2. When we are going to see the question number 3, C part, it is 3 minus of 2. So we can write down here 3, this negative, positive. Now here, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So minus and minus, this is the plus of 2. First integer is here. This is the positive. So we move through the right side. 1, 2 and 3 places. Then after additive inverse of minus 2, that is plus 2. So one more, 1 and 2. Our answer is 5. Now come to the next question, that is the question number 4. In the question number 4, solve the given question. So solve the following without using a number line. This is the opposite of question number 3. In the question number 3, subtraction of two integers are given. But in the question number 3, with the help of number line, we have to solve the question. In the question number 4, without number line, we will find out the answer of the number, that is minus of 19 minus plus of 21. Look at here, there are two numbers. First one is there negative and the second one is there positive. But in between there is a sign, there is a negative sign. So here we can write down minus of 19, minus and plus, here our answer will be minus. When we open the bracket, plus minus, minus. So addition of 19 and 21, both are having the same sign. So we will do here addition. 9 and 1, it is 10. So 30 is the answer. Both the numbers are having the negative sign. So our will be negative. Now for the question number 4, one more part you have to see here. 35, that is B part. 35 minus of 18. In this question, when we are going to see all these numbers, that is 35 and that is minus of 18. So 35, remove the bracket, minus and minus, plus of 18. Both the numbers are positive. So 35 plus 18, this is 53. Our answer is 53. Now exercise number 3.2, question number 1 to 4 is over. Then we are going to solve question number 5. Question number 5 is only depend on the less than, greater than or equal to sign, which in the question number 5 you just put up here the sign of less than, greater than or equal to. So in this one, a part is there, that is minus 3 plus of minus 7, it is minus of 3, then minus of 3, then minus of 3. Look at here, you identify which number is the bigger number. So when we are going to identify which one is the lesser or which one is the bigger number, so first here minus 3, this is plus 4, plus and minus of 7, then minus 7, minus and minus is here, plus of 3. So our answer is there minus 10 and it is minus of 4. In the negative integer, a small number with a negative sign is always bigger than the bigger number with the negative sign. Minus 4 is bigger than minus 10. Now B part is there. In the B part, 55 minus of 27, that is 55 minus of 22, then 0 minus of 77. So in this one, 55, this is negative will comes in the positive 0, and then this one also 77. So 77 is equal to 77. On the basis of this explanation, you can solve C and D part of the question number 5. Now question number 6 is the homework for you. Only just filling the blanks are there. And the question number 7 is there. It is a word problem. In this question here, what number should be added in minus 14, then we will get minus of 68. So in the question number 7, it is given there, the first number is minus of 14 and the sum of the number is given there minus of 68. So we have to find out here second number. In the question number 7, the condition is there, sum of the two numbers is given minus 68, and out of these numbers, first one is there minus 14, then we have to find out the another number. So we know very well about when the word problems are given there, so we have to first thing is there, we have to write down the condition which is given in the question. So now sum is there. For finding the second number, when the addition is given there and the first number we will know, so finding the second number, what we will do, sum minus first number. So what is the sum? Minus of 68 minus of 14. This is minus of 68, minus and minus, our answer will be plus. Now 68 and 14, what will be the answer? It is a negative and positive integer, so we will do here subtraction. 8 minus 4, 4, 6 minus 1, 5, but the bigger number of sign is negative, so our answer will be negative. It means the second number is there minus of 54. I hope you understood about question number 1 to question number 7. Now come to the question number 8. Question number 8 is same like a question number 7. In the question number 8, the sum of two integers is given there, which is 68, and out of the both the numbers numbers, one number is there minus of 68. Then we will find out the second one. In the question number 8, given there sum of what? Two integers is minus of plus of 68, and the first integer is, it is, one more thing is given there, first one is there, first integer is there, minus of. So what we find out, we have to find out the second integer, or we can say the second number. We know very well when the sum is given there, so second integer is there, it is sum minus first integer. So our sum is given there 68 minus of 68. So this is plus of, our answer is there, addition 18 and 16 is there, 136. So second number is there 136 with the positive sign. Now come to the last number question, that is question number 9. In the question number 9 is given there, the temperature of a particular morning is given there, it is a 14 degrees Celsius, but by midnight it is falls to minus 2 degrees Celsius due to rain. So question number 10 is also the same question like a question number 7 and question number 8. Now we will go through the question number 10. Question number 9 is homework for you, you just try to do. Now in the question number 10, a bus travels 523 km north from Bangalore and also then 201 km south on the same route. So we have to find out how far is the bus from Bangalore now. So first we will write down here distance traveled in which one? In the north direction. How much is there? It is plus of 523 km. Why we write here 523 km? It is in the north side. Now the one more thing is given there, distance traveled in south direction, it is minus of 201 km. Look at here, in the north direction we will show by the plus integer and the south direction will be shown by the negative integer. So the total distance is, it is 523 km plus minus of 201. So when we are going to do plus and minus, it is 201. Our answer is there 322 km. It means bus is for from Bangalore 322 km. This is our answer. Now here your chapter number 3 with the solutions of the exercises is completed, and in the next video we are going to start chapter number 4, that is set. So you just try to do all the questions and do the more and more practice. Have a good day.